Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on November 15th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risks. So I'm going to go over the OTCs, some of the stocks that we've triggered, some of the stocks that we've traded, we're holding, and pretty much how we trade stocks. First off, I'm going to go over an option trade for traders that are trading the OTCs but want to kind of transition into options. I want to show them that there is opportunity buying these options as well. So we're looking at the JWM. Okay, JWM was Nordstrom. What we noticed about the JWM, it was on the weekly chart, we actually broke this big support level. Okay, this is pretty much a vertical line, which is showing an uptrend. Well, that uptrend was breached. This signaled pretty much a downward trend starting in the market. So what I gave my traders was basically on the November 6th. Okay, the November 6th. I posted this on Sunday, and we posted this on the Sunday watch list. Also did a video on it, and we talked about the JWM losing that support. We were looking for a potential of $52. So any move in this range, in this triangular range, we were going to start shorting or grabbing a put position. We were looking at that January 15 puts down to that $60 range. We were looking at 60 to 80 cents. And our target one of 130 and a target two of $1.50 and so on. I usually just give levels where people can feel comfortable to buy in that range. It's not necessarily going to be 60 to 80 cents. In this case was in a $1.10 range, but it still gave us an opportunity to kind of trigger and actually add to this position. Moving on to this trade setup now, we just saw this triangular pattern just break down huge. It gave us an opportunity to add somewhere around this triangular pattern, and then what we noticed was we saw a big drop down to this $50 range. So this was just a big, huge trade. This trade alone could have brought in a nice amount of profits for traders. So I want traders to understand that there is a way to make money in the options. So if you want to know a little bit about this, just send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com or join the website at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. We are offering free monthly pass for the month. Okay, now I'm going to move over to the OTC setups. We're looking at this. This is a line of symmetry. What we notice here, these are parallel lines. You had a downward trend. Okay, if you connect pivot highs here, you get this pattern. So what we're looking for is a potential bottom here. They raised authorized shares from, I believe, it was in the 400 million range, and they raised authorized shares to about 900 million, if I'm correct. What we noticed here was we noticed this bottoming tail, and we saw huge support at 0008. That gave us that entry at 000910. And if you notice here, we had filings, and we had a huge rally here, and it hit a high of that 23 range. Okay, since then it's pulled back down to this 8-day moving average at 12. So now what we're looking for is that new support here at this level here, which is that 10-12 level. Okay, this is the level that traders want to kind of look at to try to maybe potentially re-enter this trade. What we're noticing here is that 0.00221, which is the 21-day moving average, that's your resistance. So what we need to kind of look for is two closes above that 0.0021 to confirm and potentially retest these highs here. Okay, so this is what I call a pattern trade or a rinse and repeat trade. So any move back to this level will be a buying opportunity. Of course, you have to take into consideration this stock is in a downward trend, but at the same time it has a pattern, because every time it hits this level, it bounces. Every time it hits this level, it bounces. Every time it hits this level, it bounces. So what I expect this stock to do to potential hit this level again and just trade it for a pattern trade. Okay, so this is the level. Once you break this 21 level on 2 consecutive closes, now you confirm a move higher. Okay, but with that said, the buy range is going to be somewhere around this line. All you simply have to do to cover your risk is place your stop close below that low, which is 0009 on 2 consecutive closes. That gives you an opportunity to do a risk-reward ratio. And if you want to know a little bit more about that or when they trigger, just join radiosilentplay.com. Okay, ticker symbol FLSR. This was a ticker symbol that we noticed here that it broke this level here at that 28 range. Okay, we were looking at that level at 0.003. We went 50% retrace. We actually triggered here at 12. Then you had a huge rally, hit that 23 level, couldn't hold it, and then broke that level. Once you broke 000 that 12 level, then we were looking at this 50% retrace down from this 12 range, and that actually triggered at this 0005 level. Then you had a huge rally up to 13 from 0005, and you rallied this and you traded it higher. Okay, some social media outlets, some groups will call you a flipper. This is not flipping. This is considered trading. What you want to understand is these 50% to 61% retrace levels, and we want to understand the methodology. Once you understand that, you know where to pinpoint, place your bids, and trade this on the way up. Okay, objective is to make money in the market, no matter what. Okay, some people invest in these OTCs. I tend to think otherwise. Okay, some traders have different strategies. Now, what we're looking for now is a potential accumulation phase here. Now, all you need to do is just keep an eye on that 0005 level, okay, for your highest bid support, and then potentially close above 0008 on 2 consecutive closes, and that'll be a close above that 8-day moving average. If you close above that 8-day moving average, then you have upside up to this level here at 16, okay, at that 15-16 level. Okay, so this is what you want to kind of look at. Once you close above 0008 on 2 consecutive closes, now you start looking for a rounded bottom. Okay, I want traders to kind of understand that sentiment. This trade, you could have traded several times here on the FLSR. Okay, traders have to take into consideration that they're also pending a raise on authorized shares. They did it twice. I think they raised authorized shares up to 2.5 billion. So that is a concern. So you want to keep an eye on that 0005 support. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol DOLV. Okay, this has been an ATM. Every time it pulled back to that 10 level, it traded to 23. Then it pulled back down to 10. Then it hit 20. Then it pulled back to 10. Then it hit a high of 15. And since then, that 15 became resistance. Then you pulled back, lost that support at 10. And then you pulled back all the way down to 0006. Then rallied and hit a high of 13. Okay, so there was about 3-4 moves here for about 80 to 100%. Okay, this is how you got to look at these levels. Right now, what you're doing is you're potentially forming a bottom here at that 0006 level. Okay, that pivot price is going to be that 10. You want to close above 10 on 2 consecutive closes, then your next resistance is going to be at 15 to 18. Okay, these are the levels. Okay, traders that tell you, hey, you know, you're a flipper, you're just, you know, these are the guys that are telling you not to sell, and then they're selling on rallies. Okay, you have to understand how to trade these stocks. If not, you're going to lose a lot of money. If you want to know how to trade or how we trade, just join Radio Silent Play at radiosilentplay.com or send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Okay, next ticker symbol is the TSTS. This was a beautiful trade. Okay, we talked about that 50% retrace being lost at 29. Okay, we had a beautiful move here at that 30 level, and then we hit the high of 78. Okay, we traded that. Then we were looking for that potential retest. This did not hold, closed below 29, and then hit that mental support down here at that 12 to 15 range. Okay, then you rallied, and now you're hitting that high of 24 level. Okay, they raised authorized shares as well. Okay, but at the same time, okay, you still knew that this had a 50% retrace from that 29 level down to this 12-15 level. Then you hit a high of 24. Now we're looking for this potential retest of that 36 level. Okay, just a beautiful move here on the TSTS. And this is what we talk about. Okay, because if you would have stayed here in this trade from 26, 29 range, okay, and then would have not traded and it hitting 78, you're leaving a lot of profit. You're leaving a lot of profit. And then your position here, okay, now instead of being green, now it turns red and the panic. And then you're selling somewhere over here for new traders. And that's us. We're the ones that are buying the 12 to 15 range. And then this thing hits a high of 24. Okay, if you want to know those levels, these levels get sent out via SMS, they get sent out via mobile app, and they get posted on the group me chat exactly when we trigger. Okay, and you can follow us on Facebook as well at Radio Silent Play. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol EVTI. Okay, we triggered here. We lost that 50% retrace from 14, came down to 0007, then hit a high of 19. Right now, rinse and repeat. Okay, re-entry here at 0008, and now you're closing at 10. Now all you need to do is place your stop close right here below 0008 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, you want that 7 support to hold. If it doesn't, then you're gonna test this RSI for a bottom, and you may see this come down to 0034 level. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, there's a lot of panic in the markets, and this is just how it works. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol BIEI. Okay, we lost that support, that 50% retrace from that level here, that 0.006 level. Okay, we broke down. I told traders to watch that 26 to 36 range, and also watch that 23 level hold. It did hold. Okay, this actually triggered for us from price range 23 to about 26. Okay, and then we closed at or near the high of the day at 38. What we're looking for is a potential retest of that 0.006 level and a potential retest of that 0.0078 level. Ultimately, I think that this stock has the potential to hit that 0.012 level. Okay, 0.012 to 0.025. This is still in a pincher play. And now what you're seeing is a huge accumulation here and huge volume of 44 million that just happened this last Friday. Okay, next ticker symbol is HMLA. Okay, we talked about that 12-15 range. Every time it pulled back, we triggered again at 14, and then we hit a high of 0.00 here at 0.003 level. Okay, now what we're seeing is this 21 and 8-day moving average cross. We're trading above it. Okay, this is a little bit of a topping tail, so this is a concern. But watch that 17 to 20 level support. If it does, then I think that we're going to retest this 50% retrace the previous low of 36. Okay, so you have some upside here. Okay, next ticker symbol is Bssp. Okay, this was another stock that has been an ATM. Every time it kind of pulled back to that 10 level, you were able to trade it up to 23, pulled back, came all the way back down to 10. Then you were able to trade it up to here to 19, pulled back, hit a low of 11. Then you were able to trade it up to 21. This has been a beautiful trade. Since then, it broke down, lost that 10 support. So now what we're looking for is that 50% retrace from 10 level. You saw a lot of fake bids, but I think that this may test that 0.0056 level. So keep an eye on the Bssp for that new support at 0.005 and 6. Okay, and watch out for fake bidders here on the Bssp. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol Tino. Okay, if you notice here, this thing triggered here at that 0008, then hit that high of 18 for over 100%. Traders that didn't lock profits, again, I tell you all the time, when you're up 100%, you have to take into consideration this stock did not break above this pivot high of 18, okay, failed, and now it's trading right back at that buy zone. Okay, it hit that, kissed that 7 level, but closed at 8. So if you notice here, you're still holding that that level here. So what you notice here, okay, on this stock is that that 8, that 0008 is still holding. If you close above below 0008 on 2 consecutive closes, then you have a breakdown in the stock, and then you got to look at that 0045 level for a potential re-entry. Okay, so just keep an eye on the Tino. You want to make sure that this thing has good support. I did notice a lot of support there at 0007. So that's what you want to kind of look at, 0007 and 8. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Everyone have a great trading week. Okay, holidays are coming down, so there may be less liquidity in the markets. Watch where the money flow goes into. Okay, watch where the money flow goes into. Join us on the chat room. Okay, join the site. 30-day free trial. RadioSilentPlay.com. Take care, everyone.